Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your daily operations weather brief for Friday, June 1st. Seeing another morning of mostly cloudy skies and warm, muggy conditions out there. They do anticipate this to continue throughout the day, perhaps seeing a little bit more sunshine as we go towards the late morning and afternoon hours, but it is going to be another unseasonably warm day with humid conditions. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, we're seeing a somewhat benign pattern out there, similar to what we have been seeing the past couple days. Got this lee trough developing with a very weak low across the mid-Atlantic this morning, and that high pressure continuing just northeast of the Bahamas there, and that's going to amplify a little bit today, giving us some southwesterly flow, and that is going to help to ramp up our temperatures into the middle to perhaps even upper 80s as we go into this afternoon. We are going to be seeing some shower and thunderstorm development over the Piedmont later today as we get that lee trough sparking off some storms. It's a little bit uncertain how many of those showers and storms are going to make it over towards our area. However, it is looking like we are going to see a dry day through the workday, and then as we go towards later tonight, some of those showers and storms might make their way slowly over towards our area, mainly going to be after midnight into tomorrow, especially as we see that low up across the Great Lakes start to drop down across the region. And then it is going to be a very rainy weekend as we have low pressure kind of developing right on top of the Delmarva and deepening a bit, and that's going to give us plenty of focus for some numerous showers and possible thunderstorms throughout much of the entire weekend. So taking a look at our satellite and radar loop here this morning, we were seeing some pretty calm winds earlier this morning. Those winds have just started to ramp up just a little bit, around 5 to 10 knots from the southwest as we're going here into the middle to late morning hours. We were seeing some very warm, muggy conditions. Lows this morning only down to the low 70s, and we will be seeing those temperatures rise into the mid to perhaps even upper 80s as we go in towards this afternoon. As of 8:15 a.m., we were seeing a broken deck of some lower clouds, 1,300 feet. We were seeing some cumulus clouds around 5,000 feet, mainly off the shore, off the coast, and then just a couple thin cirrus clouds near 25,000 feet with wind at azimuth 210 at 4 knots with a very warm temperature for 8 a.m. in the morning of 77 degrees. Taking a look at our weather hazards for today, we're going to be seeing that temperature around 86 as we go towards the afternoon hours. Winds are going to be southwesterly through much of the day, increasing to around 8 to 13 knots in the mid to late afternoon hours. We'll be seeing those winds shift more southerly as we go toward the mid to late afternoon as we get a little bit of a sea breeze kicking in. That'll also help to knock down our temperatures in the mid to late afternoon hours. And then as we go into tonight, we're not going to be seeing those temperatures drop a whole lot, only getting down to 73 degrees as we're still going to be in that warm and muggy air mass. And we will be seeing a slight chance of some scattered shower activity after midnight, like I had mentioned before, possibly as early as around 10 p.m., but it does look like any threat for a thunderstorm activity does look like it's going to hold off until about midnight, mainly between about midnight and 4 a.m. And then on Saturday, we are going to start to see that weak front move down across the area and that weak low. It is going to be pretty weak as it moves into the region early tomorrow morning, but still enough to possibly pop off some isolated shower activity. And then it is going to be deepening throughout the day Saturday with shower and thunderstorm chances increasing later in the day. Taking a look at our TAF forecast here, we are going to be seeing a broken deck of lower clouds near 1,500 feet throughout the morning hours, and then still seeing some cumulus clouds mainly offshore near 5,000 feet, and then some thin cirrus clouds. As we go into the afternoon, we should see those clouds break up just a little bit, perhaps seeing some more sun than we have been seeing the past few days, with just a scattered deck near 2,000 and then a scattered deck near 18,000 feet. Tonight, we are going to continue to see just partly cloudy skies, but we could see those clouds thicken up again if we get into any shower activity after midnight, as you could see with ceilings lowering down to around 4,000 feet at times if we get into any shower activity, with still some a couple lingering clouds near that lower 1,000 foot level. And as we go into tomorrow morning, we'll see that much of the same, possibly seeing ceilings lowered down to 3,500 feet and any shower activity with overcast around 6,500 feet in showers and storms as well. Taking a look at the next few days, as you can see, it's not going to be a very nice weekend with we got chances of 70 to 100% chance of rain throughout the entire weekend between Saturday and Sunday as we have that low developing. That low is really going to start to develop as we go into over the area as we go into the Saturday afternoon time frame. So we might see a dry window in the first half of the day Saturday, although there still is going to be a chance of some showers in the region. As we go into Saturday afternoon, we'll start to see those showers increase across the area, as well as the chance of thunderstorms. We're still going to be seeing a high of 82 for Saturday. Then on Saturday night, we'll see a low of 65. We're going to be seeing periods of rain. It is going to be a pretty rainy night as that low is going to just be hovering over the area with a slight chance of a thunderstorm. And then Sunday, we are going to be seeing that low really start to deepen. It's going to dip. The center of it's going to dip just south of the Wallops area. That's going to give us some onshore flow to help us give us a cooler high of 67. But with that low deepening, it is going to be a much breezier day, and we will be having rain throughout the day with a very slight chance of an embedded thunderstorm. Looks like thunderstorm chances are best on Saturday, but still can't rule out a slight chance on Sunday. But we are going to be seeing that rainfall and breezy winds throughout the day on Sunday with that high of 67. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.